Say hi to subscribers. Hello. How are you? For my hair, yeah. No, just now was the movie. Right now I'm going to the supermarket to get some stuff, so yeah, and to go to my sister's place also. Yeah, I'm just going to do that, then get a couple of things that I need.
We put in song.
Say hi to my subscribers. Hello.
Hi, hello.
How are you doing?
Hi,
Hello.
This is my nephew. His name is Ebube. I don't say you should repeat that one.
Hi.
Ife, say hi.
His name is Ife.
Hi.
And he's wearing pampers. He poop on his body.
Ah, no, it's not poop on his body now.
He's very shitty.
No.
And they
From where I went to, and I actually got the stuff. So I wanted to get a couple of things for my hair, some oils, because my oil is finished, and yeah, just some things that I need, some groceries too, just few. That's just it. This cotton bud for applying my product on my face, then coconut oil for my hair and other things, even for cooking. So maybe if I want to make coconut rice, and this is castor oil for my hair. Yeah. And finally I got this neem oil, Avila Natural as per French students. So this is neem oil. And got this gum. I and my mom are going to love this gum so much. It because I was kind of hungry, so I was like, okay, let me warm it up and eat. I don't even understand what I'm doing here, but then just singing to myself and stuff like that. So yeah, that's just it. Hey, just what am I doing? Oh my god. Skincare routine. This has been the one that I'm okay with so far, at least. But I had severe breakouts since yesterday, first day, because of what I'm going through right now at that time of the month. So that's just basically it. You see, I'm still going to buy another one because this one bringing out particles. What's this? Is it tissue? Like, really? See, look at the particles, white particles on my face. So another one I apply is this Gentle Magic. It's actually a Gentle Magic skincare line. I'll just apply some on my face. It has an exfoliator, yeah, but I've already applied that one. So yeah, oh my god, I had so much breakout this time. When people see my face, they feel like, oh, do rub this, rub that, but then they don't know that maybe at that moment my pimple even went down a little. I don't know. I have this kind of skin that I get affected when I'm so stressed out, when it's that time of the month, or when I don't eat healthy. So it's not even actually about what you eat, or when there's too much heat. That's why I'm always making sure that my AC is on, because when my AC is on throughout and under the AC, I have less breakouts. But even if my AC is on and it's still that time of the month, I'm still going to have that breakout and my body will be paining me. So that's basically it though. So let me just arrange my hair. I can do what I want to do. Yep. It's my hair. It is well. You'll be fine there. You'll be fine. So what I do is that I spray water and just apply conditioner just to because it's dry. Just keep it moisturized. So I'm not supposed to make my hair, but laziness, and I have so much undergrowth. Like, instead of my hair to be getting longer, I'll be having more undergrowth and thickness than length. Like, I don't understand why. Look at this now. You compare this length to this one now, you can see the difference. Some places in my hair are short. Those are the undergrowth. Look at this part. So much undergrowth. It is well, my dear. So yeah, I'm just going to moisturize my hair. And what am I going to do again? I've now done my oil mixture. So this is castor oil. Yeah, I just got it because the last one I had finished. So I'm going to apply it right now on my hair. I don't really comb my hair too much. When I'm ready to comb my hair, I'll be ready. I just lightly comb it and just tie it up. Or I'll just do a protective style, which I'm too lazy to do because right now I'm tired. I had a lot to do and I need to rest. So I'll just pack it like this. Yeah. Then like this. Yeah, that's just it. That's just it. It's my skin, so I just want to eat right now. I'm just going to dish my food right now and eat. Yeah. Yep. So I'm just here waiting for my friend to come. Yeah. So just chilling, waiting for her. My friend is here. See myself on YouTube. Say hi to my subscribers. Hi. So I want to go and watch a movie though. So just stay tuned. Black Beauty. So we're here to watch a horror movie. And this is Justina's first time of watching horror movie in the cinema. So we are going. Once she shouts like this, I will just leave you. It's like it's only also. and few other people.
Do Calabar.
They do vlog.
Look at Shanghai.
So I just finished watching the movie. It was very interesting, but it was so horrific and so much violence. So yeah, that's Justina. I don't even know what she's doing, but then yeah, we're done with watching the movie and I had fun. I don't advise you watch it, especially at night.
What's the name again?
The Pope Exorcist. I actually wanted to watch a Nigerian movie, but it was very late, like 4:30. Maybe person will reach house. So anyways, just heading out. Yeah, that's just it.
This will buy you some time. Quickly, Buster. You have not longer for turning
Cheese. What are you watching?
thinking, Buster. Now all you need to do is work out how to load the boxes back where they belong.
Cheese.
It looks like Scout has an idea.
Yes.
Great work, Scout. You can use it.
So I'm using pressure pot so to cook faster, and pressure pot to allow it to cook for like latest 10 minutes, 15 minutes, they're done. So my dad came back from the east with so much fresh mangoes, so much. It's gari and so many other nice things. And yeah, this is when I just dished his food. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.